Hello everyone, my name is Maurice Kosiol, and today I'll be presenting on the topic of manufacturing footprint redesign, focusing specifically on TSMC and their new plant in Arizona. Let us first have a look on today's agenda. First, I will give an overview on TSMC, before then diving deep into their manufacturing footprint redesign in the form of a new manufacturing plant in Arizona, where I will outlay their strategic motivation for this, show the project steps, further also the challenges that TSMC has faced, which management strategies did they use in order to overcome those challenges, and finally, of course, and most importantly, the lessons we can learn from this case. Let us begin with an overview of TSMC. Founded in 1987 by Maurice and headquartered in Hsinchu, Taiwan, they are the world's first dedicated semiconductor manufacturer. By focusing solely on manufacturing chips for other companies, TSMC has revolutionized the semiconductor industry and has become a key supplier for major technology firms. Strategically located in Taiwan's Silicon Valley, TSMC benefits from its proximity to top tech companies and research institutions. As a leader in the semiconductor industry, TSMC produces critical components used in a wide array of electronic devices, from smartphones to advanced computing systems, driving technological advancements globally. Key innovations include the development of advanced 5 nanometer and 3 nanometer process technologies, crucial for high-performance computing and AI systems. TSMC is publicly traded on both the Taiwan Stock Exchange and the New York Stock Exchange, with stocks widely held by global investors. The largest shareholder is Taiwan's National Development Fund, holding approximately 6.4% of shares, while no other shareholder owns more than 5%. The dual listing enhances liquidity and provides a broad investor base. The CEO, C.C. Wei, has been leading TSMC since 2018. Under his leadership, TSMC has continued to push the boundaries of semiconductor technology, ensuring the company remains at the forefront of innovation. The leadership team, with extensive industry experience, has successfully navigated TSMC through various industry cycles. TSMC specializes in manufacturing high-performance semiconductor chips using advanced processes like 5 nanometer and 3 nanometer technologies. These chips are critical for modern electronics, offering superior performance and energy efficiency. Major clients include industry giants like Apple, AMD, Nvidia, and others, whose products heavily rely on TSMC's cutting-edge chips. TSMC's chips are integral to various industries, enabling advancements in areas such as autonomous vehicles, generative AI, 5G networks, and advanced computing. Semiconductor industry is highly competitive, characterized by rapid technological advancements, high capital expenditures, and significant R&D investments. Here, TSMC competes with other leading semiconductor manufacturers like Intel, Samsung Foundry, and Global Foundries. Each company strives to lead in technology and manufacturing capabilities. However, TSMC holds a dominant position in the foundry market with a market share of over 50%. That stems from its advanced technology, their reliable production capabilities, and robust client relationships. In 2023, TSMC reported a revenue of $70.6 billion and a net income of $27.8 billion. Although both revenue and net income decreased slightly year on year, mostly due to declining demand after excess demand in the past years, TSMC has shown robust financial performance over the past decade, driven by continuous innovation, strategic expansions, and increasing demand for advanced semiconductor solutions. As of May 2024, TSMC's market capitalization is approximately $697 billion, ranking them ninth globally in terms of value. The company is also significantly increasing its R&D investments in order to maintain its competitive edge in technological leadership. Let us now dive deep into TSMC's manufacturing addition, the new plant in Arizona. TSMC's decision to build a new plant in Arizona is driven by several strategic motivations. First, the proximity to major clients like Apple and AMD operations in the US reduces logistics costs, shortens lead times, and enhances supply chain efficiency, ensuring timely delivery of critical components. Additionally, this move strengthens TSMC's presence in the North American market, aligning with a goal to diversify geographically and better serve clients. The US CHIPS Act offers substantial subsidies and tax incentives for semiconductor manufacturing, making Arizona an attractive location for TSMC. These incentives help offset the high costs of establishing a new plant, with a total capital expenditure for the Phoenix site amounting to over $65 billion. Diversifying production locations also helps TSMC mitigate risks associated with geopolitical tensions, ensuring a more resilient and robust supply chain. TSMC's planning process began in early 2020 with comprehensive site selection and feasibility studies. The assessment of various locations considered factors such as infrastructure, logistics, and access to skilled labor. The decision was made to construct 3 fabrication sites near Phoenix, with the first semiconductor fab set to start production in 2025. Detailed design and engineering work were crucial for defining the plant's specifications and infrastructure, ensuring the new facility meets high standards for quality and efficiency. TSMC navigated complex regulatory requirements, obtaining necessary permits for construction while ensuring environmental compliance. This included conducting thorough environmental impact assessments and adhering to local regulation. The groundbreaking ceremony in June 2021 marked the start of construction, involving extensive site preparation, infrastructure development, and the installation of state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment. TSMC is recruiting skilled workers both locally and internationally, with extensive training programs to ensure employees are equipped with the necessary skills and knowledge. Rigorous testing and quality control measures ensure the plant's operational readiness, validating the functionality of all systems and processes. TSMC plans to gradually ramp up production capacity while optimizing processes for efficiency and quality. Coordinating such a large-scale project requires meticulous planning and resource management to stay on schedule and within budget. Effective communication and coordination are essential to align various teams and stakeholders. Recruiting and training a skilled workforce in a new location also pose significant challenges. TSMC implemented comprehensive training programs to ensure employees are proficient in advanced manufacturing technologies. Trade tensions between the US and China pose additional risks and challenges for the project. These tensions influence strategic decisions and required careful risk management to navigate potential impacts on operations and supply chains. Ensuring compliance with local and federal regulations added complexity to the project, requiring thorough environmental impact assessments and adherence to stringent regulatory standards. Further, the COVID-19 pandemic caused disruptions in global supply chains, affecting project timelines and logistics. TSMC had to implement agile adjustments and contingency plans to mitigate these disruptions. TSMC implemented agile project management techniques, allowing the company to adapt to changing circumstances and provide real-time updates to stakeholders. Partnering with local firms and engaging stakeholders facilitated smoother project execution, helping TSMC navigate local regulatory environments, secure necessary resources, and build community support. Ensuring strict adherence to health and safety protocols protected workers and maintained productivity during the pandemic. TSMC also implemented remote work tools and virtual collaboration platforms to support continued operations. And finally, and also most importantly, what lessons can we learn from this case? TSMC's new Arizona plant proves that geographic diversification enhances supply chain resilience and brings production closer to key clients, reducing risks associated with geopolitical tensions and supply chain disruptions. This approach improves operational efficiency and client satisfaction. Agile project management and proactive risk planning are crucial for navigating crises and ensuring project success, further enabling organizations to respond swiftly to unexpected challenges and minimize disruptions. Early engagement with local stakeholders and addressing issues proactively are key to successful project execution. Building strong relationships with local communities and authorities helps secure support and resources. Thank you for your attention. This concludes my presentation on TSMC's manufacturing footprint redesign and their new plant in Arizona. In case of any questions, please let me know through any means and I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.